Hi guys, I make me now juice, a herb juice or 2 lemon and 1 onion and then ginger and then garlic, little garlic. So this is the juice to boost our immune system. So let's slice this, guys. So let's start, guys, to slice. Guys, 1 liter or 4.23 cups of water. We put water, 1 liter water, and we put our ingredients. We put salt. We wait and we waited 5 minutes, guys. So done the 5 minutes, guys. So it's
See done.
let's put in the pitcher my juice finished product. Whew. Here's guys the juice. This is the old recipe of Filipino recipe. This is my juice, guys. When you drink this 30 minutes before you eat breakfast and 30 minutes before you sleep. So 1 cup of this juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. So you can drink cold or hot, but I prefer to drink a hot juice. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See guys, this is my finished product. I prefer to you guys to drink hot and put 1 teaspoon of honey. So I will drink that later. Thank you for watching. 1 glass or 1 cup and 1 teaspoon of honey.
It had to have been a woman. There was a woman with him in the car for the red light photograph. Yes, we need to find who that woman was in the car.
Guys, why it's like pinkish color, because I use a red onion or purple onion, so that's why this is the happen. This is the honey I use. This is available in our kitchen. Let's start, guys.
Yes. Bill Raymond. The FBI consultant, right? You here for the seminar?
Not so hot, but warm. It's okay.
You need some advice? Given the way your boys performed in that game yesterday.
Delicious, guys.